We went to Asda yesterday and we bought these chocolate hoops. They're the Asda Choco hoops. They're basically the cheap version. So I thought we'd try them. So that's what I'm having today. I'm surprised it actually tastes just as good as the original, which is normally not the case. So definitely pick these up if you want them. They do taste the same as the other ones. Probably a little less chocolatey, but that's about it. Let's spray a bit of Dettol on the bed. Since I bought like a couple of these during quarantine, never used them. So I bought a bunch of contact lenses from feelgoodcontacts.com, and they do sell quite affordable lenses. I did pick up the Fresh Look colour blend ones, so I've got them in honey, green, sterling grey and grey. And I've only got one pair of clear lenses left. I don't really like these Comfy Air ones because they're quite thin. They rip really easily and they're supposed to last a month. So if they rip really easily, like my last pair, I probably only lasted 2 weeks before they ripped. And if I wore them for the whole day, they would literally like suck to my eyeballs. So it would be really hard to take them on my eyes and it would irritate my eyes. So I don't know if I'll get them again, but I think today I'm just gonna have to wear some of these color ones. I don't know which ones will be the most natural looking. Maybe honey, maybe green. I think I will go for green. Yeah, I'll go for green lenses today. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear. And yeah, you guys should definitely, if you need contact lenses, go to Feel Good Contacts. That's probably the cheapest website I've seen so far. That's only if you know your prescription. Mine is -4.25, so I'm actually quite blind. Yeah, I've just took them out and these do look a little bit on the natural side, so they should be okay to wear. So yeah, these are the colour blend ones. The packaging is a bit different to the original, which looks like this. So I think these are more natural than these ones. Okay, I've ironed my clothes. I'm gonna wear these cotton ones. So that's what they just look like. Ugh. That's it. That's what I'm wearing. Simple clothes because the weather's not too bad. Actually, there's quite a lot of clouds outside, but it's still not too bad, hopefully. And I don't think I'm going out today anyway. So I showed these yesterday. They are Bamba peanut butter puffs. They were £1, and no, I think they were less than £1 actually. And these are supposed to be gluten free, and I'm really excited to see what they taste like. Hopefully they're a little bit sweet. It does not contain unpuffed peanuts. I don't know what that means. But there's peanut butter, ground corn, sunflower, salt. Oh, it's not going to be sweet, is it? It's up to you. Let's try it. So this is what they look like. They kind of look like What's-Its, and they smell very, very peanutty. I'm going to use it on my face, then we could try it. I look terrible. Let's try one. Oh, very, very peanutty. Wow, that's like literal peanut butter. Like if you had a rice cake and you put just peanut butter on it, that's what it would taste like. I feel like I need some sweetness to this, so I might get some chocolate dip or something and eat it with those. But on their own, they're very, very salty. Oh man, and you barely get any in there as well. What is up with that? Having a massive packet and then just only filling half of it up. God knows. Okay, I'm gonna edit my first Ramadan vlog and post it, and then I need to sort out this laundry. It's haunting me. I told you this girl is so obsessed with Cheetos. She's literally become Oompa Loompa. How are you? Are you Oompa Loompa? Yeah, she's smiling. Hello. Nice. Yummy. Don't get it on my chair. I see that sneaky hand of yours. No, look at this. Ugh. Crazy you am. Okay, I was just waiting for my flash to turn on, otherwise I was going to start eating because my battery was really low. So for today's Iftari, day 2 of Iftari, we've got some fruit, strawberries, which I haven't had in a while, and the main part of the show today is pasta, tuna pasta. There's lots of reduced tuna, you know, the tuna filler that you get in a sandwich that you can buy from Asda. That was reduced, so I bought 4 tubs of those, and we ended up making tuna pasta, and we still have some left, some of the filling. And then this was from yesterday also. It's the custard tart. I don't mind having it again. And some bits of potato. This was the bread that I made. Turned out really, really delicious. I had a little bit downstairs, and I'm so glad I used the garlic butter on there first. That made such a difference. And then this is fried bread. I'm going to be so full today. I'm from a Pakistani household, and we do not say no to fried food, unfortunately. And then this was the leftover rice from yesterday because I didn't get to eat it, even though I made it in the rice cooker with like vegetables and stuff and chutney for my bread to cut the fat. Okay, and then I'm gonna have a Diet Pepsi because I'm craving a Diet Pepsi so much with ice. Ooh, that's just gonna make my day. So yeah, that's Iftari for today. I hope you guys like what I'm eating. Let me know down below again what you guys are eating for Iftari. Make me feel guilty. Tell me you're eating healthy foods. If not, then tell me that also. But yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely second day of Iftari and your fasts are going well as usual. Please take care of yourselves. Drink plenty of water if you can. And yeah, I will catch you later or tomorrow or in the next vlog. I'll catch you in a bit. Glorious milkshake has arrived. My sister-in-law, I don't know how she does it. She uses fresh strawberries to make fresh strawberry milkshake, and it actually tastes like the one you get from McDonald's, the strawberry milkshake from McDonald's. It's so divine. So I'm so glad I've got this. I thought I wasn't going to get any. Can't wait to drink it. Nothing beats a hot cup of desi tea to sort you out after eating iftari. But yeah, this is literally like warming my soul up drinking this. The only thing I don't like about this tea is the malai. I really don't like that stuff. So I try and blow it until it just sticks to the side. So then I don't have to swallow it. I hate the taste of that. But yeah, or should I say I hate the texture of it because it doesn't really have a taste. But yeah, this is so fixing my soul, and I'm going to read my namaz as well while drinking this, just to help me read, as well. I'm feeling so groggy. I regret how much I've ate today. I ate a lot.